For the Mississippi Band of Choctaw Indians and more than 11,000 members of our great tribe, the year 2020 has been unprecedented due to the challenging impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, witnessed throughout our communities. Arriving seemingly out of nowhere at the beginning of the year, the coronavirus has changed our lives in ways that we would never have imagined and has tested our ability to adapt to major changes and to overcome serious obstacles. Under the threat from an invisible enemy, individually, we have each had to expand our scope of responsibility over the course of the past 10 months. I am confident that no team of individuals has met this requirement more consistently and with greater beneficial impact for themselves and for our tribe than those dedicated employees on the front lines in many of our tribal departments. Many of these employees work quietly, delivering hot meals, serving as responders to medical emergencies, providing immediate and ongoing health care to save lives, cleaning, sanitizing rooms and buildings, taking blood, filling prescriptions, providing triage, providing transportation services, and working daily to ensure that the tribal government services are not interrupted. Today, we publicly express our appreciation to the hundreds of dedicated men and women on the front line in our tribal workforce who put themselves at risk every day to keep us safe and moving forward. Today, we recognize not just a single individual, but our whole unified team of frontline employees at the Mississippi Band of Choctaw Indians as our 2020 Employees of the Year. We recognize the outstanding service provided by the employees of our Choctaw Health Center and outlying clinics, Department of Public Safety, Choctaw Fire Department, Choctaw Emergency Management, Choctaw Transit, Tribal Maintenance, Choctaw Public Works, Choctaw Homeland Security Emergency Support Functions, the Department of Family Community Services, Food Distribution, Tribal Elderly Nutrition and Activity Center, the Department of Tribal Member Services, Tribal Recreation, Tribal Government Services, Office of Public Information and Choctaw Video, and our education departments and programs. While the COVID-19 pandemic has altered how we work, it has not slowed down our tribal employees nor prevented them from responding in outstanding ways that we recognize as excellent. During these challenging months, we have tribal employees serving bravely and unselfishly on the front lines, potentially placing themselves in harm's way. We also have employees who are working remotely for the first time. Each of us has had to adapt to the pandemic situation in our workplace, in our home, and in our minds. We recognize and understand the challenges and difficulties that 2020 has brought to many of our tribal and local communities, families, and homes. The Mississippi Band of Choctaw Indians appreciates our MBCI employee team's willingness to serve and dedication to provide help where it is truly needed, and for their personal sacrifices they make to ensure the safety and well-being of our tribal citizens. Our team knows how to work together to achieve a shared vision. We know how to maximize individuals' skills to help reach organizational goals. The team finds its strength in each other. The gratitude that we express today to our overall team as Employees of the Year demonstrates our recognition that they are making a positive difference in improving lives in the face of this COVID-19 pandemic. Many employees are going above and beyond to increase the positive impact of our response to citizens in need. The great American author and lecturer, Miss Helen Keller, once said, "Keep your face to the sun, and you cannot see the shadows." In this trying year, that is what our team has done. We have kept our faces to the sun, and together, I'm very happy to proclaim they are the Mississippi Band of Choctaw Indians 2020 Employees of the Year.